niema betimi ama me tell say beje di say Mahama memo we betimi fight Galamsey number 1 attorney general on fam mra no enko parliament say bia Dominic Ayine na me chairman of the subsidiary legislation committee of parliament me am kofa bai
ye import ba Ghana enti na me ka chen this aban say this aban president mama wanye focused na udidi Jakpa no ni ade echi na omo ye diversionary taxes ma wa aban wa so ye bench no because even clearly as mo digital macro can shows that NDC were Juma Kese ye what job Juma Kese NDC why ye say they should focus on the big push, focus on the 24-hour economy, and these things are not alien. Where are the NDC and Kasa Asha Homeboss obey? Adia ebe boa Ghana buying. Adia on mino big push ye be creative jobs amam ranti and mabenye dumaye. 24-hour economy be creative jobs ame unkopwaye any duma. It is about one focus on this. Na se odi Jakpa mochi oyankwachi ye first Godfred Odame na shene more than 70 lawyers agile productive work omoye o court omoye o judicial
update evidence wa Richard Jakpa ene attorney general Dominic Ayine training e social media ni nyina efa Galamsey sensem no no ana Captain Smart edin sembi atudwa afei so Afia Pokua vim lady so abetutuja e wa highway no kai se ha quest 5 team e ban entertainment news training news viral videos ahodo na eno ana mefa bi ebeso to ba so any game I know hit subscribe at na afei wa like video no share no wa chere wadwen e comment section yes watch your wadwen e boa papa na afei upim Facebook Instagram TikTok Twitter na wajipre na follow all these platforms so yes and that day Onua TV so ana ye Captain Smart na say yes Kofi Babone etranse ana say Kwadwo Babone etranse edwa ensem se de tie enema ekoso my Ghana mu wa onim se otranse a wo kire na adwen edwa ensem efaya na that day wakọ the camp of AAG and as Attorney General Dominic Ayine achemu say one of the people I see a deep brim kakra emano ewo ye sa Galamsey sensema ekoso no between MPP and NDC no who say parties mienu no obia ewo aban mu an kasanko and obia opposition so an kasanko na no an wa fire Attorney General Dominic Ayine say amra na NDC wo opposition no committee o motenase ehwe forest reserves ne niam bia ewo Ghana ha no committee kura no mo hwesa ade no so na Dominic Ayine and chairman original mu ema omode reforms bi ba ya eboama mining companies timi bowura forest reserves ahodo no mu enam so ema Galamsey fo bi edom buji mu a obu okura woni lances wura forest mnempo akowuram no akakutu gold de oyene abre o my Ghana asay forest ahodo ne nsaase ne nsuasuwa na no
eniema betimi ama me tell say beje di say Mahama memo we betimi fight Galamsey number 1 attorney general on fam mra no enko parliament say bia Dominic Ayine na me chairman of the subsidiary legislation committee of parliament me am kofa bai sa mra no so opposition na ye chairman of that committee honorable it is say ya me no ka say MPP ni and a opposition person or the committee do so me say sa bai we say why ready pass up person fighting Galamsey ya Galamsey na ye kan ebe na ye kan wasem enye he kwa ye ni nsuo mwa our forest our water FW fawo F ni ye fa W ni ye wo fawo forest and water and Dominic Ayine court ma parliament kaji tu mu say hey ye to Galamsey wo kwa ye nim saying this are were led by my own John Dramani Mahama. If they are ready to fight Galamsey, they should repeal that law. That's number 1. I am waiting to see when. Na yamana see abo Galamsey dum. Na see anyone there dey yebebo, but don't me fight Galamsey.
We two ja ana ye Afia Pokua. Yes, vim ladies so e de vim bi ebowura ma. Otutu ja emane eye Attorney General ene Richard Jakpa. Efa ensema hodo ekoso wo Godfred Odame ene Wontumi sensem no. Yes. O se sa ne ma omo ye no diversional tactics bi ano mo ye omo se enema bi hit bi eba abane so eno nti ano ma take that steps ne so betimi ache Godfred Odame any chama Wontumi se de be ya oman no adwen betwen afri ensema ekoso oman ni mu eno ano acheche nsem wadwudwa ensem na afei so Gabi Ochredako MPP mu ono so agene share na ano ada Gabi Ochredako de nsem betu dwa se Ashanti region for no musu say oma kwan ni development bi wo ha ankoso Ashanti region no omunkusu enmo subo ewo mu MPs ahodon because the meetings because so aban ni na dwen say obeye bridges name kwan a di enmunyam bebre oman no anase bebre Asante for eno ana MPs ahodo ikotrans say da bi omo pe inner rules bi nketenkete bi ewo oman no se da be ya ekrom nyina be kama eno enti na ma aban anye enyema development ne overheads ahodo mu yeye bi wo other regions no awo Ashanti region sans what we to do na MPs ahodo na be ka se oboa ene dey Afia Pokua Vimlady so afaya gabi ochirida ko se onko transe onko joso koda na nsem okada nsem nu wo de mu nkotie ensem ne superment ya o de call Richard Jakpa Dominic Ayine ene gabi ochirida ko wo highway sky se ha kwesi vice ti uba so no hit subscribe button na if you like video no share na oni aso enya bi
ye import ba Ghana enti na make a change this aban say this aban president mama wanye focused na udidi Jakpa no ni ade echi na omo ye diversity taxes ma wa ban wa so ye bench no because even clearly asemo edujita maklo kanokra shows that NDC were juma kese ye what job juma kese NDC were ye ne say they should focus on the big push. Focus on the 24-hour economy, and these things are not alien. Where are the NDC and Kasa Asha Homeboss obey? Adia ebe bua Ghana buying. Adia on mine big push. You be creative jobs. I'm ranting and my benye dumaye. 24-hour economy be creative jobs. I'm a unkopwaye any duma. It is about when focusing on this. That's how did Jakpa mochi o yankochi first Godfred na shene more than 70 lawyers. Agile productive work omo ye court omo ye judiciary omo nyina ba besen ewo CID ye nyina so Jakpa o Godfred everybody know this case enkosiaga political cases typically and more amo ya amo de omo person mo di atem ya you so adjective ya go and google the meaning of the adjective over the last 20-30 years at least over the last time since I my journalist political cases and shouldn't go see baby out. We jama President Rollins said, yeah, at the time, Yera Kwan Pepra, Victor Selo Menumini idea, any including Yera Chatukata or legal luminary, wabbing. One more time, case in the case of quality grade issue, no, a court a jailing conforno. Case in anyway, a political case so called the typical political case. To me, a prosecutor me a be a go siaga. Because who you chachukata the any fluid, then you come to President Mahama time, Abuga Pele. And even in Abuga Pele Muta, he was just a sacrificial lamb. Because Nipa did the Momu dis can Abuga Pele Nkwa. And so Abuga Pele Nkwa Nekodem. What I say? Political cases typically in Shadan Kusiaga. Oh, I'm saying Ubayana Weako. And clearly Jakpa, any attorney general case is a political matter. Because Jakpa I don't even know why he's wasting time. This is a case that went to court. Judge Nekra agreed with you. Discharge Yera atofo say no Jakpa nyina. Into whether is a Godfred at the time or should that manipulate evidence or manufacture evidence. He said you should go and lie or he lied against you or not. For me, you have even been vindicated by the fact that case the court, case it could not stand the test of time, and all of you were discharged. It's Germany court. Namu nyina mo President Mahama because what Jakpa can President Mahama by home. And once my dream in said Jakpa was more aura. I said the more aura and Godfred betray. So what kind of silliness is this? In terms of politics, I think respectfully, I think it's very silly. It's very silly that more jide aura na ye koji ye sikaba. Sika ye nyebi ye betimi abam ye use the build your mind. I said only a Godfred betray. Meanwhile, you know part of Godfred case want to me winning against him. On what basis? And because they're politically motivated, the police forces investigate what? Because in Godfred's position, there are two positions that Godfred play: as the attorney general, as a lawyer, and also as an ordinary person. In which one are Godfred Japanese attorney general? Because the fact that attorney general is capacity as attorney general, so your prosecution and trust the prosecution be baby perfect. In any case, prosecution and attorney general in his capacity as AGO, and no investigation. They are officers. In fact, attorney general or not because of a political appointee, you are not Attorney General Nabajidi, but they are directors of public prosecution. Under them, you have prosecutors, seasoned ones, senior ones, or more. It is all more investigation, normally evidence be bred Attorney General. No social, no court, no prosecutor. So in where do you, this is exactly the case that Chachukata and the GMPC issuer Omode Sobobo and no bebremo ha moyen kolanti, you would not probably appreciate this oko Google Chachukata any GMPC case the Chachukata court no. And this was a case that one of the offenses are no more level against Chachukata was that were willfully causing financial loss to the state. That was the offense at the time. Willfully, that's a what said that. And where do you categorize? How do you define willfully? Later on, President Kufoma Chachukata pardon. Chachukata Babonti, he sued government of Ghana, AG, or the Ghana court. And you know what the court said? The court said the offense is frivolous. And the offense also, and papa, the criminal books. And this is what the court said. The court said that the entire said, Ghana constitution say, Boni be a criminal offense, I would be to obisono. It must be prescribed. And was saying to me, Boni Cronim, and the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, Cosi Z. A count bomua, Emma a boni. In the case of willfully causing financial loss to the state, there was no definition of willful. It is also in the to say that Chikata the only to Godfred de ya. And then Godfred ya just or bois pasheda a contract also. Because the Attorney General and its capacity as Attorney General on your investigations. It's in Crawford, directors of public prosecution, any lawyers now want to acquire no magada investigate. In fact, police prosecutorial work in investigation, they do it through the police. And he said, Attorney General acquire the Jumano only police for the corner police for the information be brenna. How do you say that of intro? And then you want to hold him personally liable. Personally. In case you won't go see here. Jakpa, my president, Mahama focus on the Juma. Say Galamsey na aji going. And then do dita makro catch say importing so 11 million. Now mo focusing on my Juma big push. Galamsey on be solve it. If I President Mahama, I did about 4 years. Say President Mahama to me and solve it. Sa Galamsey issue na subi and what I say. Obete Kufuado. Na subi a version because everybody can remember. And 4 years because see President Mahama is in a very peculiar position because on Senasu 8 years. On Senasu 8 years. Now the most a branch of Kuma would a bread or so, and a President Mahama and constitution. Ghana de Kasa will be uncle him. Yem Busa, Germany and Chere, we are no so can and we got okay, President Rolling on your constitution. Ya 1 year maybe a branch of constitution may entrench, and never the bro for no. Oh, to me, so I can't enquire. Oh, majority crowd or parliament to cross super majority. Oh, to me, to me, now there will be also your mother said that your brand, I may class on President Mama. You guys are President Mama or a John. Come on, I'm about you money here. Yes, some constitution money is simple. Said it changing or amending an entrenched clause in the constitution. It's a simple matter. It's something that the president can just wake up or no about a year. And that's a warner. Kuma would know about President Mama Yansa. One about is all good change. This is an entrenched clause. And your clause, I just a referendum, you and Sonny Keke, and change. The president cannot do that. Or they don't change it. It's President Mama 4 years. Maybe or the Erico Pokua and Julia Brabant or better was 1 man, but 4 years, you know. There's an obligation of President Mama also solving Galamsey, no. On one account, we see a coup at the time, the state of the emergency. Now, they also may state of the emergency, Anna. Those are the questions that President Mahama to me are solve. Yeah, those are the questions that people will be asking him. And that is why at 4 years, President Mahama must not allow Jakpa. But I'm choosing my words very carefully. The president must not allow Jakpa because Jakpa need any ballot paper be aso. Need any history books. President Mahama na need what history book. No matter what. Or yet they need what history books. Nkolanke tenkete bebe chire ababe suyano. So no ma Jakpa no mkwai. No more dada no na. And you need aging country manson nonsense. Only aging country manson. When there's a major policy, a priority area, I was the president focusing on. Big push no way. 24-hour economy no way. Oh, Jakpa, what teaching for now? Boy, President Mahama. I'm going to make 24-hour economy na kabana now. And can we moving very far? Ye movie very far. And can boy say na adwuma ni wonto omu nyina tete internet so ye romance scam yi. And kaka 1 or 2 jobs didn't carry by next year na line up a omu benya bi ayo. You are going to arrest people. Godfred Ame. Now who squad the begu 70 lawyers. When trial say case no kwa court, we best spend 100 years. We case reda. Lawyers see the technicalities better man so. You bet to me a man so till that kingdom come. 100 years. And this is a needless battle. This is a waste of time. Mama president man focus on the here. No, we here no. Say first in the first 3 years what you mean your 24-hour economy no. That's a time we more. And I know what chichichin growth be say. But for me, if you ask me, sometimes they feel that we are diversionary tactics. Because there 1 week in the next is cost strike. Junior doctors is almost on cost strike. This is a clear diversionary tactics. Wontumi ya makoko fenasande kesi kokoti diversionary tactics. There is a major pressing matter before Ghana. Next is cost strike. And next is CBSU. Girl back credit and conform net online on my contribution on the Akomano. Galamsey is a major issue. Can I see now NDC that was in opposition that was calling for a state of emergency. NDC that said Nanado went to me and and we all agreed Nanado went to me and now NDC is saying so that be wow President Mahama fighting Galamsey biano. Oh my pressure. No be ba can a year first say can I see that me former boss can I see MPP. Now Obia all say fighting Galamsey no MPP. Seriously? Guys, sometimes we should grow up, Sam George, Quoting Sam George, bro, for elevation. We must elevate ourselves. Yeah, elevate the conversation, no. MPP time, no more Mukasi fighting Galamsey, no more NDC. By Nadia, almost see fighting Galamsey, no more MPP for. It doesn't even make sense. How does it make sense? Clear it up for me. How is it even reasonable? It's not even a matter of whether it makes sense or not. Is it even reasonable? Where are someone to assume now? MPP time no kufu do 2 on here fighting Galamsey, no problem. Yankoka to be a opposition. MPP for na tori be almost more arrogance, which is why they went into opposition. Ebi ani Gabi there akodina baby na and say he has been in meetings where Ashanti region MPs were saying omo de omo pay major roles. Omo de Gabi obi nim na me Gab tenase monje mic ni fi Gabi nsem. Monje Mike Lifi Gabi nse mo mane ko Johnson no koda. Gabi asaro chida ko mo mane ko Johnson na onda. Nya hi a microphone de. Nya hi a microphone e. Samone awo. Nya ke Gabi asaro chida kwa kenke e samone awo. Hey. Sia Ibrahim Mahama. Onu ni niawo aba mu no. You see, says Ibrahim Mahama ye bone class obi antumi nka. Why? Because Onya kakra philanthropy no di bia Gabi mi hu nipa Gabi ya se wakosa na yare wakoye we wakobua we wa dabi uye bi dia ye hu ene ma ye hu enti there's some kind of resentment